as India's diplomatic win is being touted also on the global stage, that these are in fact also on the list of the Indian agencies, security agencies, and also FBI's most wanted list. All right, joining me live on the broadcast is Aditya Vadavan, who is joining me live from Patiala House Court. Let's straight go to him and continue with the updates that he's tracking. Aditya, what are you picking up as far as Tahawwur Rana's extradition and now the NIA seeking his custody in Patiala House Court is concerned?
Well, Simran, as far as this case is concerned, particularly as per which has come to the light, that the Patiala House Court in January, had asked for the trial records pertaining to the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack case, as after NIA had filed an application demanding the trial records, So the trial records that of the related to the 26/11 terror attack case names David Coleman, Headley and Tahawwur Rana as accused, as the main accused in this case, and this will the trial records of this terror attack case will act as a big evidence against Tahawwur Rana in this case. If you see, he will be, we can expect, today that he will land, Tahawwur Rana will land in Delhi, and immediately NIA will get his custody, and from here on he will be taken to the NIA headquarters where his medical will be done, and the interrogation will be done as per the SOP, as per the standard operating procedure, how the NIA operates, and then, it is very expected that many more names of the Pakistani terrorists will come up during his questioning. It is already, after 5 years, this process took a quite lot of time. Since 5 years, India has put a formal request with the United States of America to formally extradite him back to India to face justice for his for his involvement in 26/11 terror attacks case. He along with he assisted David Coleman Headley in doing the recce in the key areas of Mumbai, and he also provided logistical and financial support to the Lashkar, to the 10 Lashkar terrorists who had come to Mumbai through Karachi through a boat. So now it needs to be seen from here on, Simran, how this case proceeds going forward. Yes.
All right. My colleague Brian Thomas is also joining me live for more. Brian, as you joined us from the NIA headquarters, what are you picking up as far as now, anytime it is expected that from the airport, Tahawwur Rana will be likely to be brought at the NIA headquarters and in a bulletproof car with complete security in place. There are central armed police personnel also guarding, in fact, the vehicle, with the NIA now asking for the custody further. Share more details, Brian.
Well, Simran, definitely NIA has clearly stated that they would be asking for a 20-25-day custody, and yes, the security have been heightened both at the airport and at outside the NIA office. Definitely the SWAT commandos have reached the airport, and all efforts are being underway to get him from the airport to this very office that is behind me. You can see these visuals also of the NIA. Slowly and steadily, as the time is passing closer to his arrival to this office, the securities are getting heightened. And yes, very importantly, multiple Delhi police vehicles will be escorting the convoy. You can see a lot of officials who are on vigil. They have been on duty, they have been on standby, they have been there from yesterday night itself. And as the minutes are passing, police vehicles, Delhi police vehicles like these, the Parakram vehicles, are going on full vigil. Slowly and steadily, this entire place is becoming a very sensitive zone. You can see the officials who are all on duty, and then here itself, when he will be taken from airport till this very location, here he will also be undergoing a medical treatment, a medical examination will also be happening, and then he will be produced in the court virtually, and then the NIA will be asking for the 20-25 day of remand. And definitely it is definitely a big win, a big diplomatic win. You can see the place is silent now, but all preparations have been going going on. You can see vehicles, you can see right control vehicles ahead, you can see the police officials are all on duty, and all these several places have been barricaded. I'll also be showing you the other side of the road as well. There are two openings rather, that leads to your National Investigation Agency, and two of them have been properly barricaded. It has been properly cordoned off for any vehicular movement, and they are also sealing all the barricading. On that side of the road, when you see that directly leads to the NIA, that has been completely sealed off, completely barricaded. While this one, this is still open. This one barricade is still open for police jeeps or for official vehicles, and that will also in a while, maybe in 15-20 minutes, that will also get completely cordoned off. There have been proper proper barricades that have been done here, and essentially in 15-20 minutes, when the time comes closer, inches closer, the security will get more heightened, more beefed up at this very location, because the SWAT commandos will also be coming from the airport till this very location. Several Delhi police convoys, vehicles, bulletproof cars will also be coming to this very location, where he will be produced, he will be here, and then virtually he will be produced before the court. Simran.
All right, Brian. Thank you very much for sharing more details and also adding more information. Now, what we are learning as per our sources is that the trial court records of the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks have been received by the Patiala House Court. The documents were called from Mumbai to Delhi by the end of the January, and the trial court records related to the 26/11 attack case are likely to be a part of the crucial evidence in which the NIA has named Tahawwur, Hussain and David Coleman as the accused. All right. Meanwhile, some reactions are also coming in on his extradition. Let's listen in.
This extradition is a milestone.